My name is Lavinia and I'm the founder of Lavolio boutique confectionery, which makes a real alternative to a box of chocolate. So we take fruit, nuts, spices, chocolate of course, and we create these wonderful tins that we sell all over the UK and Europe. My business actually is born from adversity, I would say, because I used to work in finance, and with the financial crisis I was made redundant. I found myself in this place where I had an idea, and it was just the most incredible feeling being able to then have people and customers actually enjoying what I was making. For me, selling online was a little bit of an accident. I really honestly didn't think that an unknown product and a food product, something you wouldn't have tasted before with an unknown brand, would be something that you would try out just by buying online. And I was wrong. So I remember at the beginning, every time I would get an order, I would do a little dance and then go and try to see how did they find me. Amazon has an incredible amount of customers already on their website. So for me, it's a no-brainer to put your product, your amazing product, onto a platform where there's millions and millions of people ready to buy. As a small business, you need to kind of choose your battles. But the great thing about Amazon is that you can actually test the water with very little work on your end to see if there's appetite for your product in the different markets before you actually commit and have expenses to match. Once I started learning how Amazon works and getting more and more sales, my revenue actually increased to a size that enabled me to have a bigger team, have a bigger premise. Now we have a retail shop. I don't think without Amazon we would be able to have the scale that we have today.